YouTubers, welcome to AnneBetty's kitchen. See my kitchen, baby. I promised you I'm going to do the unboxing. So this is just to help you know what to expect when you get your Ninja Foodi. And let me read some of the things it says. A premium presence on your kitchen counter. It's true. I come into my kitchen and I see it and I'm like, yeah, how are you doing, baby? Honestly, this is a great addition. It does, like, I do almost everything in it. Roast one chicken, do some wraps, potato wedges, roast potatoes, a whole lot. I'll be bringing you these amazing recipes, but this is just to give you an idea on what to expect. So first, it comes in a brown box. Then, when you take the brown box, you see this. It's really packed properly. And when you take it out, this is the crisping cover for air crisping. And you've got the cooking bowl. And this is the pressure cover. When it comes, it says pull here. So you just take this off. And there are other models where the pressure that comes off, the seal, it comes off. Mine doesn't. So if yours comes off, you need to be really careful so it doesn't fall on the ground and you break it. This is an expensive machine and it's a great addition to your kitchen, so treat it with caution, with care. Closing it. When you're closing, you just align these and you turn it clockwise and it's closed. So it comes with this cover, and you need to find an open space where you can open the cover and close, because when you're pressure cooking, you need this cover and this stays on top, it doesn't come off. So you need a space where this can stay open whilst you're using the pressure cooker. It says here, 2-tier reversible rack. So you can reverse this. You can reverse this. You can use it this way, or if you want it to be up and come closer to this, you can turn it this way. Or if you want it double, then you can fix this. So there will be something on top, something at the bottom. It also comes with the cook and crisp basket. And it comes with this. You just fix it on so it doesn't sit in the bowl. And you know, normally you have water in it, so you need an extension so it doesn't sit in it. Instructions, this tells you how to use it, and it comes with a recipe book. So you can follow the recipes here, and also I'll be bringing you amazing, yummy recipes. You know, the two covers that it comes with, you can't see what's happening in, you just have to follow the instructions that come here. But you can get this glass lid. These are added accessories which you can get yourself from the Ninja website. I'm going to team up with them pretty soon so that you will be getting discount when you use my link. But these are extra loaf pan, so you can bake your bread in it. If you want to bake your cake, you can get the multi-purpose pan. We'll be doing amazing things with this. And the Foodi comes in small, medium, and max. This is the max. I got this because I cook a lot. You know me, I'm a foodie, so I cook a lot. And I normally have people over, or people are ordering stuff. So I went for the max. And it says here that it cooks up to 6 portions. So 6 portions is not much. And if you ask me, it doesn't take too much space. Just find somewhere on your kitchen counter. It doesn't need too much space. And isn't it beautiful, people? It is beautiful, isn't it? So if you ask me, I'll say go for the max. Go for the max, so that when you have visitors, you don't need an extra one. And if you're cooking a small portion, it wouldn't eat up anything. So get the max and you thank me later. I told a friend, it's just her and her daughter, and she was like, oh, it's just me and my daughter, so I don't need it. She bought it and she got visitors, and she was like, oh, thank you so much for making me get the big one. So I'll be bringing you these amazing recipes. Yogurt, how to dehydrate. know your fruits if you want to dehydrate and dry them up. Slow cook, pressure cook, saute, sear, steam, grill, bake. We'll be baking cakes. We'll be making some macaroni and cheese. We'll be making jollof. I'll be bringing you a quick way of making your jollof in your foodie. So, people, keep watching this space. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It's free. Subscription on YouTube is free. And once you subscribe, then you're up to date whenever a new video is uploaded. And if you are getting freebies, and like I told you, I'm going to team up with them and you'll be getting discounts. There are amazing opportunities when you subscribe. It's free. Subscribe. Ciao. Thank you for watching.